Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to join someone on Roblox without being friends. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now, I'm already here at Roblox on my app on my mobile. So what I'm going to do is we're gonna choose a game that we want to join with someone that is not my friends. So I'm gonna choose this one. Then as you can scroll down, you will see here servers. And as you can see, I don't have friend here on this server. And here, just choose a server that you can join in. So this one, it still needs people, so I can join. So now I'm joining the server. So as you can see here, I'm already playing with someone that is not my friend. And as you can see here, on these settings, you see that they are not all my friends. So that's how you can play in Roblox without being friends. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!